Good afternoon, students. This video is for class 8 physics, and we are doing numerical problems from the chapter force and pressure. In this chapter, there are basically two formulas of pressure, which is P equals to F upon A and P equals to H rho G. Okay, the symbol is rho. Let us discuss about this formula. Here P stands for pressure, right? F stands for thrust, whereas A stands for area. Okay, and we can memorize this. Either you memorize this formula, or we can use a simple method to find the formula of area and force, which we have discussed in the classroom also. Okay, you need to draw a triangle. You can put force here at the top, pressure here, and area here, and then you can put a division sign here, right? And you can put a multiplication sign here. Suppose you want to find the formula for pressure, you just hide this symbol pressure, right? So the formula will be F divided by A. If you want to find the formula for area, you just hide A, it will be F divided by P. And if you want to find the formula for force, you just hide this F, it will be P into A. So it is quite simple, right? So the other formulas will be F equals to pressure multiplied by area, and area equals to force divided by pressure. So these are the other formulas. Okay, let us deal with the numerical problems which uses this formula. Then we shall come to this second kind of formula, right? So let me start with number 5. Okay, we have to start with number 5 first, because number 1, 2, 3 and 4 is about moment of force, which I haven't done. So I'm starting with number 5. Okay, we are not going to do this force sums unless we do moment of force. So number 5, a normal force of 200 Newton, a normal force means thrust of 200 Newton acts on an area of 0.02 meter square. Find the pressure in Pascal. Okay, so see here, first thing you should identify the physical quantities given to you. You can identify with the help of these units. Okay, Newton stands for force, so force is given, and meter square stands for area, so area is given, right? And I am supposed to find the third thing, which is pressure, right? So the words can be twisted, the sentence can be twisted to confuse you, but they have to keep the units same. You can identify the physical quantities from their units. Okay, so please refer your book for the question. I don't want to write it here because it'll just waste the time. Okay, number 5, a normal force. So given F equals to 200 Newton and area equals to 0.02 meter square. This is my first job, to jot down the things, to write down the things which is given in the question. Now second step, I'll check whether the units are same or not. Here same means whether they are in the SI unit or CGS unit. So Newton is the SI unit of force, meter square is the SI unit of area. Therefore, I don't have to convert these units. So I'm supposed to find pressure. I don't know the value of pressure because the question says find the pressure in Pascal. So you know the formula of pressure, P equals to F upon area, right? So next line, P will be equal to, I'm replacing the values of F and A, which is 200 Newton by 0.02 meter square. Now the next line will be P equals to, right, 200 multiplied by 100 upon 2 meter square. and Newton comes here. Okay, how did this 100 come? I just have to remove the decimal points at the back. How many times did I remove? I removed 2 times, so I'm getting 2 zeros here, right? Or multiplying both numerator and denominator by 100, right? We'll get the same thing. So now we can cancel this. Okay, you're getting it 100, so therefore the value of pressure will be 1 2 3 4, that is with the 4 zeros. Okay, Newton per meter square. So this much is my answer. It is 10,000 Newton per meter square. But 1 Newton per meter square should be equals to 1 Pascal, because you're supposed to find the pressure in Pascal. So therefore 1000 Newton per meter square will be 1000 Pascal. So my answer is P equals to pressure equals to 10,000. Sorry, I said 1000. It will be 10,000 Newton per meter square will be equal to 10,000 Pascal. Okay, this is how we are supposed to do number 5.